Well, the mood was somber this morning. The parents were all in the devotion taking part. The students were pretty much more relaxed than they were yesterday. So with the message from the chaplain of our school and the United Church in general, we were able to, I'm sure that they're feeling much better than they were yesterday. There are just a few of our parents who are here this morning, and they are just in support of us as a school, and still know that we will continue as a school family to educate the education of our children. Because as kids, and they would have heard the explosion, they would be frightened by that. So I would imagine that there would be some form of fear in them, but I think that with the support of the teachers yesterday, with our devotion this morning, I believe we're at a better place. I don't think the students actually saw what happened. The students were all on the campus, and the incident took place at the entrance to the church and pretty much almost on the road. So they actually did not see what happened, but they would have heard the explosions. I think the attendance this morning could be anywhere between 50 to 70 students. I am just assuming. I've not taken the enrollment as yet. My usual amount, our school is almost 300 students.
Reverend Smith from Calabar High School, one of the guidance counselors here at the Meadowbrook Prep, giving support in light of the incident that transpired. So as counselors, we're always open and available to come and to give support to other schools that go through difficult moments, such as the one that we learned about, that shooting. We trust that all will be well, and we'll give of ourselves in the defense classes. We know that these are young ones, but we hope our time here with the principal and the students will be one of value, to help them to cope through this time, and the parents as well. So we're here to give support, and after today, if they so need us still, we will continue to give our full response.